Welcome to our all-encompassing Udemy series on short-term rentals, a rapidly growing sector in the real estate market that has redefined both travel and investment. This series is your ultimate roadmap to the thrilling world of short-term rental investments. The advent of platforms like Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com has brought a seismic shift in the hospitality industry, offering travelers a unique mix of homely comfort, genuine local experiences, and authenticity. But beyond the traveler's lens, there's a vast universe of opportunities for investors like you to tap into this profitable market. In this series, we'll set off on a journey that starts with comprehending the core of short-term rentals. What attributes make a property an ideal candidate for these rentals? Is it the location, the amenities, the design, or a blend of various elements? We'll dive deep into the tactics to identify and secure such properties, ensuring they resonate with market. But the journey doesn't end at acquiring the right property. The success of short-term rental investments pivots on efficient management, strategic marketing, and constant adaptation to fluctuating market dynamics. From determining the optimal prices, creating enticing listings, and leveraging the power of reviews to understanding local regulations and maximizing occupancy, this series will arm you with the necessary tools, insights, and strategies to excel in this domain. What's more, we'll also delve into the financial aspects of short-term rental investments. How can you guarantee a robust ROI? What are the concealed costs, and how can you enhance your earnings? Through real-life case studies, expert interviews, and practical tips, we'll unravel the financial intricacies of this investment route. One of the highlights of this series is a real-life walkthrough of an actual apartment purchased and prepared for the market. This case study will provide you with a hands-on understanding of the process, and to make it even more practical, we'll provide all the necessary Excel templates to execute the project. In conclusion, whether you're an experienced real estate investor seeking to diversify your portfolio or a novice captivated by the potential of short-term rentals, this series offers a comprehensive learning experience. By the end of this journey, you'll be armed with the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions, seize opportunities, and navigate challenges with ease. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to plunge into the world of short-term rental investments. This is your ultimate guide, and we're excited to have you join us.